Hey there coding enthusiasts, welcome back to IMS Coding. We all like emojis. We send them to our friends. So in this today's video, we are going to see how to add emojis and symbols in HTML. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. So here I am creating a new file named emojis.html. Let's get a basic HTML syntax by typing doc keyword. Now in the body, I am creating a heading and inside this, let's create a laughing emoji. So in the description, you will find the link of this website. Visit this website and you will find some emojis here. Just copy this code and paste it inside our heading. Right click here and open this page in live server. Here you can see our emoji is displayed. Let's add some more emojis. Copy, and paste it again. Copy and paste it again. Get back to browser. Here you can see the emojis are displayed. Now let's see how to add symbols in our HTML page. Let's create one more heading here. In this website, you will find one option for HTML symbols and all symbols are listed here. Just copy the number code and paste it in our HTML page. Let's copy one more and paste it here. Get back to our page. Now you can see here the symbols are displayed. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course. So please do check out our playlist. Like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.